Good morning, everyone. More cool, pleasant mornings and warm afternoons. A very, very perfect pattern for early June. Without the rain, I do have some rain chances in the forecast. Here's the morning satellite, put that into motion. And certainly clouds are not really a part of our area. We have had some high clouds brush us, grace us with their presence last couple of days. It's been a big deal. But the colors on here, the yellows and the oranges, are the colder tops of showers and thunderstorms, and we can verify their existence by switching to radar, see what's going on here this morning. And we have some activity in Texas. That's probably the most extensive area of rain and thunder. Also a band up in Minnesota and some light stuff up there in the Dakotas and also in Nebraska. But basically the SPC outlook for today has the slight risk of severe storms up here way far away from the Ozarks, up here from just east of Denver into the Dakotas, and that's it. And the green is just general thunderstorm areas. Let's put the satellite back on, and what I'll do is put the upper level winds in here. And I want to talk about this feature right here. I've been talking about this for a couple of days. This is an upper level low right here that's kind of drifting around, and it's kind of going to pivot and then eventually going to track like this. And that implies, at least there's a possibility that with an edge of this, we could see some precipitation that would impact the Ozarks this weekend. Kind of eyeing that. I'm not real thrilled about its possibility or its amounts of rain when it gets here. We are still basically under the influence of an upper level flow coming out of the northwest. Eventually, though, winds will come around out of the south this weekend, warm us up, spike our humidity back up as well, and that'll set us up for a front which will be driven in here later on in the week. The morning has started out really nice. Let's take a look at our temperatures here this morning. We've got a 54-degree reading. This was at 7 a.m. At Lake Ozark. Very, very chilly. Upper 50s describe a lot of the Ozarks. 60 here in Springfield. And another thing we should look at is the dew point and see what that's doing. We have very, very dry air here with 50-degree dew points. That's what's helping us to drop down so cool in the morning, giving us our pleasant working or playing conditions outside. Very, very nice. Whereas the real moist stuff is down here. And we'll get into some of this as we get closer to the weekend, the way it looks now. Let's take a look at what's happening over the next couple of days, our temperature and precipitation plots. Here we go. Here's our temperature plot. You can see a nice gradual up glide, a general consensus of the computer models on warming us up toward the weekend, upper 80s, maybe even a rogue 90 here or there on Monday. Now, Monday was a front day. I think that front's going to wait till late night Monday, early Tuesday to move through. And the impact it will have on our rainfall, there are two rainfall areas. There's that cutoff low, not great, never really rises above 0.06 on precipitation. And that's just one run of one model that says that, by the way. And then better chances with the front, maybe 0.4 of an inch, probably less, with a band of rain that projects along that front coming in next week. So that's our look at the weather here this morning. So in summary, cool mornings for about another day or so, warming up and getting more summer-like this weekend. Slight rain chance this weekend, especially the more south you head, better along a front. Cooler midweek, and then the weekend after that, the 16th and the 17th, looks pretty hot as well. Have a great day.